guys, welcome back to Coombs Productions. Today we will be drawing a cute kitty, and I'll show you how. We're just going to make a couple adjustments to this one, okay? Because this one just has one eye, and it's kind of creeping me out. Well, okay, let's get started. So, first off, I just need to clean off the page. First off, draw a circle, like a weird oval shape-ish. I like ovals. Okay, so draw an oval. Then add some tips to the eye, like how I'm doing it. Not like this. Not like this. This is a mistake I did. Don't do this. Do not. Wait. Yeah, mistake. Just like, I think this looks better. Does it? Yep, that looks way better. Okay, now color it in dark, like as dark as you can, like as dark as you want. It should be pretty dark, because it's the tips of cat's eyes, so it's pretty dark. There we go. Now we're going to draw a circle and a weird noodle thing shape. Now you're gonna make the eye, like the pupil, and just make random wavy effects, and then just do another one lighter underneath. Doesn't have to be the exact same thing. Now just color in the pupil pretty dark. Just color it. Keep on coloring. And there you go. After that, the pupil is done. Now you can do the start on the iris. Camera, stop it! Sorry. The first part should be pretty dark, and then the second part a little lighter than the first part. I'm gonna adjust it a few times, maybe, because I don't like it being too light. Look at this. Look at how, yep, this is how you do it. You gotta darken it up. That's how I do. Now you finish the eye. Now we're gonna continue. Wait 1 second. I'm sorry if you guys can't see it. Just do the eyelid part. Yep, eyelids. Now just start on the little nose. Mine is a little too straight. We need to fix that. It's too straight. And I just gotta do a line across there to make it like the snout thing. The snout thing? Yeah, snout thing. That's what I call it. Now you can do the mouth. I like my mouth like that. Okay, don't judge me. Now whiskers. And then do little dots. I'm sorry, I forgot the whiskers on that side. Well, this is half the face. Let me just sign it real quick. We had to take 2 clips because I forgot we were switching some stuff up. So next. Woo! Okay, now we're drawing the rest. The other side, you can see that I already did the whiskers on that one side. And if you can see, there's an outline already. I already drew it, and I forgot to film. So now just do the eyelids again. Now we're doing the little whiskers on top of the eyes. Weird. That one curved. Don't curve it though. Put them little dots. Now we're putting the fluff on the nose. And yes, I love the fluff on the nose. Just gonna scruff it up a lot. Okay. So if you guys can't see it, I'm drawing a heart up there. Okay? Because it's cute. I like it. And now for the title, Cute Kitty. I love how I wrote this. Thanks for watching. Now submit your art in the comments if you guys want. Okay? Bye.